Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, eastern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, Crawford County, until 5 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of LaRue, or 15 miles southeast of Kenton, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, New Washington, Sycamore, LaRue, Morrill, Chatfield, Marcells, Benton, Nevada, New Bloomington, Greencamp, Harpster, Osceola, and Sulphur Springs. Here is a special weather statement.